Welcome to Chill Review Guy. This is a channel where there's something for everyone. For example, today we're going to talk about something to do with fish tanks. And I got some goldfishes that I have in a tank and I wanted to filter the water. So I got this PF10 by Topfin and it's a 10-gallon filter. So let's set it up. Alright, let's open it up. So right when you open the box, you get the main product. Okay, so this is the main unit. It's looks pretty simple. Has top fin. Let's see, with the power plug. And let's see if we can open this top. Oh, there we go. So on the inside, we have the filter. And then we have this plastic, which is supposed to be a bio cartridge. So it's a slot for that.
The plastic is called bio cartridge?
Yeah, it's called bio cartridge.
Are you sure?
Yeah, it says on the box. And this is the filter that comes with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how do you go about putting it in the tank?
So all you have to do is, there's this notch here. So this part would face out of the tank and you want this part dipping into the tank. And I think I saw something else. So this is also comes with the unit. It's supposed to be like extension into the
Say that again.
So this is the extension that goes into the tank and supposed to be the, what's it called? It's an intake tube.
Okay. So water comes from this end,
goes in and filters out and then comes out
from there. So
into the
this
tank.
is sort of like put
the
on
outlet
this side, and this is facing outside. This is facing inside.
Inside, that's right.
Okay.
And on the top cover, there's like an area where it says red means you change the cartridge. So basically all it is this kind of like lever, and basically I think once it's filled up with gunk, it's supposed to push it up and tell you, oh, it's right, it's time to change the filter.
Okay, so if this color shows blue, then it's alright. If it shows red,
it's time to change.
It's time to change. Okay.
Yeah, simple. Nothing else could go wrong. The guide says that you have to fill the tank, this one, with water before turning it on. You can't.
This space here.
Yes.
So first thing we do is before putting it
before turning it on, you want to fill it with water.
Okay, so we keep it behind the tank, add water into it.
That's right. And then we can plug it in and turn it on.
So what kind of water does it say?
Any water. Yeah.
Just like normal temperature water.
Yeah. Well, we just want to start it up.
Okay.
So once you start it up, then it's going to be pulling the tank water, the aquarium tank water.
Okay.
There's also another thing I want to point out, the fill speed. So you can adjust how much water you want flowing out. So I don't think there's a full shut off. I think it's just, there's an open and a close. So you turn for one way to open and turn the other way to close. I guess you can adjust the speed and so also the noise.
The movement of the
water, yeah. If you want the water to be really calm, then you can adjust the flow.
So one cartridge is good for like about a month?
Yeah, one cartridge is, they say it's good for 3 to 4 weeks, so about a month. And I did buy the refill, a smaller refill.
Supply.
Yeah.
And it has like a
3-month supply, so there's 3 cartridges in there.
Okay.
All right, let's put this in and give it a shot.
Okay.
Alright, we'll place the filter right at the back. Right. And we'll only plug it once we have the tank filled up. There is no on and off switch on the filter, so
Oh, okay. So
once you plug it in, it starts right away.
Oh, so fill it up and then plug it in.
And then plug
I
it in.
guess.
Alright, let's put some on.
I see the water flowing now.
There we go.
So that much water.
No, just enough. You just want to soak the... Oh, let me just soak the filter. That's good. Alright, let's try it out. Cap on. And...
What is that? Yeah, what is that switch supposed to be on? So you can open and close, right?
Yeah.
So which way is open, which way is closed?
Open is this way.
So it has to be left open then. It is coming from there, so that means it's going up.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's...
Yeah. So first in the initial phase is trying to circulate the water through the filter and through the pipe. And now it's...
So it's just like enough suction for the water to go in, but not enough to harm fishes, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
So you'll just suck up all the dirt and the poops.
And these fishes are
Now it's quiet.
really poopy.
Yep. Just a slight hum.
I did read that my money plant will, the bottles, they also help with some clean, like using up the ammonia in the water, putting some oxygen back in. Some people submerge them, some people don't. I just did because these are like small cuttings. Okay, so now the sound has gone down and it's moving really
much better sound.
nicely.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's supposed to be a quiet filter and it's,
Yeah, I don't mind
keeps it
the
tight, yeah.
sound.
Yeah.
It's like a white noise. Alright.
and look, all the fishies are getting a nice bathe underneath the filter.
It's like waterfall for them.
Thanks for watching, guys, and hope you liked the video. If you do, then put a thumbs up or subscribe. I'd like to hear from you and your comments. And you never know what I'm going to review next, so stay tuned for that. You'll find out.
Start.
Welcome to Chill Review Guy, a channel for something, a channel for everybody. There's always something for everyone.
You're saying that in such an unnatural way. It just cringe to watch.